by the end of the video, will know about water fasting for weight loss. My 10 pounds in 3 days experience. Water fasting for weight loss can indeed yield significant results in a short period, but it's essential to approach it with caution and under proper supervision. Losing 10 pounds in just 3 days through water fasting is a remarkable feat, but it's crucial to remember that much of that weight loss is likely water weight and not necessarily fat loss. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. During a water fast, your body primarily burns stored glycogen for energy, which leads to a rapid depletion of glycogen stores and water loss. This can result in quick weight loss on the scale, but once you resume eating, your body will replenish its glycogen stores, and some of the lost water weight will return. Moreover, extended water fasting can have potential risks and side effects, including nutrient deficiencies, muscle loss, electrolyte imbalances, and disruptions to metabolism. It's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before attempting any prolonged fasting regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. For sustainable and healthy weight loss, it's generally recommended to focus on a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and lifestyle changes that promote long-term health and well-being. Crash diets or extreme fasting methods may provide short-term results, but they're often difficult to maintain and can be detrimental to overall health in the long run.